back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Paula. On this channel I create content about productivity, lifestyle, advice, and much more. If that sounds interesting to you, definitely hit the subscribe button down below and click the bell icon next to it. And if you do subscribe, please comment down below I subscribed, and we can chat in the comment section down below. So for this video, I'm going to be giving you guys my top 5 side hustles for teenagers that you can use to possibly make up to $30 per hour as a teenager. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. The first side hustle that I think every teenager should start is modeling. Now, modeling, I've heard that is a very competitive space to go into, but I do think that if you're willing to put in the right amount of effort and time and dedication, this will work for you and you can possibly make a career out of this. So honestly, I do believe that anyone can model if they put their mind to it. You can be hand model, where you model rings for brands, and you model, hand jewelry. You can be like a body model, where you like model your entire body and you model outfits. You can model for different brands like Shein, Pretty Little Things, Topshop. I personally know these 3 brands are currently looking for models. Especially younger model that want to model for them. So if you're a teenager, definitely do more research about this and sign with a modeling agency and get into the modeling space. Number 2, the second side hustle for teenagers is becoming a brand ambassador. So I picked out this one specifically for this video because I do believe that this is a very, very lucrative business slash side hustles for literally anyone, but specifically for teenagers. Brands are always looking for people to help promote their product. And to become a brand ambassador, you don't have to have a large following on social media, but you do have to have good engagement, because brands are looking for people that will help promote their products that have some kind of engagement or some kind of community. The third side hustles for teenagers kind of ties into the last one, but this is to become an Instagram influencer. Now, influencers are literally the reign right now. Like, every single person and their mother wants to become an influencer, and that is because that is where the money is. The money is becoming an influencer. There are so many ways to monetize being an influencer, like affiliate marketing, creating a course. But for this video, we're gonna focus on brand deals. So brands love paying influencers. And you're probably thinking, I'm never getting a sponsor because I have such a small following. But here's the thing, brands are not willing to pay smaller creators because they have seen that they possibly could have the most influence. Like I said previously, it doesn't matter how many followers you have. All that really matters is that you are engaging with your followers. So for example, a person that has 1,000 followers but only gets like 50 likes on their videos, that is like a 5% engagement rate, versus someone who has 100 followers and gets 50 likes on their posts. That is a 50% engagement rate. So brands are likely to pay the second influencer, although they have a smaller audience, but most of their audience are engaged with their content, which means it's more lucrative, it's more beneficial for the brand to work with a smaller influencer than it is to work with a bigger influencer. So if you are starting out and want to become an influencer, I would recommend starting out with TikTok, because TikTok, I've heard, is like the easiest way to basically blow up on the internet. TikTok is like the best way to blow up right now on the internet, because people are like basically getting famous overnight from TikTok. Take a look at Charli D'Amelio. Before TikTok, she was a nobody. Nobody knew who she was. And now within a span of a year, she gained over 100 million followers on TikTok. So yeah, the potential of TikTok is there. And once you have garnered enough followers on TikTok, you can create an Instagram and post consistently. Literally, consistency is like the key to everything you do in life. Like, if you want to be successful, you need to learn to be consistent, because you cannot expect to post on Instagram once a month or once every 2 months. No one sticks up for once a month. People want consistency. If people are gonna follow you, they need to be able to depend on you and depend that you're gonna post something new at least once a week. The fourth side hustle for teenagers is babysitting. I chose this to be in this video because I truly do believe that there is a lot of potential in babysitting. Now, when I say babysitting, I don't just mean babysitting one child at a time. What you can do is you can gather a bunch of kids. Like, if you are a beginner at this, definitely don't do more than 5 kids at a time, but you can gather 5 kids, and if they're paying you like $10 an hour and you have 5 kids, at that point you're making $50 an hour to care for those 5 kids. That is insane. The potential in babysitting is insane. And I recommend doing bigger kids because smaller kids can cry and they're a lot more work, but doing kids that are from 3 and above are really good. Like 3 to 6 is a really good age to babysit because they are mature enough to be on their own. They're mature enough to not cry all the time, which will make your job as a babysitter a lot more easier. My 5th and final way that you can make money as a teenager is by becoming a social media manager. Now, brands, small businesses are always looking for people to help them to manage their social media. If you have a local business near you and you've noticed that they are not on social media, definitely reach out to them, explain to them the potential, explain to them what they are missing out by not being on social media, and then tell them how you can help them. Tell them your experiences, tell them what you've done, show them your past work, show them how you've transformed several social media accounts. And if you don't have these past experiences, you want to make it, go ahead and create an Instagram right now and grow that Instagram. Work on that Instagram for at least 6 months and grow it to a reasonable size audience, and then go and use that as proof and show them, hey look, I grew this Instagram from zero to 5,000 followers in 6 months, and I can do the same thing for you guys. And I promise you, they will definitely pay you. And the potential for becoming a social media manager is insane, because you can have different companies at once, you can have different businesses that you're working with at once, and the potential is just completely insane. So definitely look into social media marketing. If you want more information about that, there are dozens of YouTube videos and courses online that you can use to get more information to start a social media management business. Alright, you guys, that's all I have for you guys in this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. I will see you in the next one. Bye!